What if you could extract words from pictures, even handwritten notes, in less than a minute? Now, you need to head over to your Google Keep. Let me show you how to extract text from pictures. You need to click on this add image icon. After creating a new note, you need to add an image. Add image. Still use the same one, unnamed.jpg. And after the image has been uploaded, you need to click on these three dots, more, and then you need to click on the grab image text, and all the text that is in the image inputted on the body of this note, Google Notes app. Make sure you double check the text to ensure that everything that is in the image is also in the text. You can also try this with a smartphone. I'll show you how. I am now in my Google App Notes. I need to clear everything that I've just created on my laptop and then show you from zero. Now, this is my image. What you need to do is open the image, click on the three dots on top of your Google Keep app, and then grab image text. It should be copied on the body of this note in Google Keep. And extracting text from images is as easy as that. These are already available tools. Be productive and see you on the next one.